In our last video, we built and deployed a WhatsApp bot and deployed it on a 24/7 virtual private server and established a sophisticated command center to manage our groups. Today, we take it further, transforming that bot into a full community moderator. If you haven't completed that first step yet, I recommend you watch that video first. The link is in the description box, because today, we are building directly on that foundation. The first impression a new member has of your group is critical in shaping their engagement and adherence to your community standards. A silent entry can be off-putting, while a warm, informative welcome sets clear expectations and makes them feel valued. That's why the first feature we'll set up is a custom welcome message. This isn't just a simple greeting. The bot's welcome delivers a visually appealing and highly informative message to every new member. We'll configure this from the bot settings group we created earlier, ensuring all administrative commands stay organized and hidden from the main chats. The command used is WLC, which must be placed on the first line, with the body of your custom message on the following lines. Once saved, the bot confirms the setup. When a new member joins, the bot will generate a card-style image that includes their profile picture or a fallback image, their username, the group name, your custom welcome text, and the updated member count. Just like this one. To keep the chat clean, it will also delete the previous welcome automatically. If you ever wish to disable it, the command delete WLC written as shown removes the configuration. Just as welcoming is important, it's equally valuable to understand why members leave. For this, we use the leave message feature. This module allows the bot to send a private, custom-tailored message to anyone who exits your group, offering you valuable feedback. The command to set this up is LVC add. Here, LVC stands for Leave Message Configuration. Similar to the welcome command, the command LVC add goes on the first line, and your custom message follows on the subsequent lines in the same message bubble. Let's configure a thoughtful and effective leave message. Again, I am in my bot settings group. I'll start by typing LVC add on the first line. Now, using Shift+Enter, I'll move to the next line to compose the message. We want this message to be polite. Something aggressive or guilt-inducing will be counterproductive. This message is professional, respectful, and framed in a way that encourages a helpful response. Once I am satisfied, I'll send the message. The bot will confirm that the leave message has been added to its configuration. However, setting the message is only the first step. By default, the leave message system is inactive. This is a safety feature to ensure you don't start sending messages unintentionally. To activate it, you need to send a separate command, LVC on. Once you send this command in the bot settings group, the system will be armed. From that moment on, any user leaving any of your connected groups will receive our custom-tailored private message. This module is designed to be fully manageable. In the future, if you wish to temporarily disable the feature without deleting your message, you can simply type LVC off. This deactivates the system but keeps your message saved, ready to be reactivated with LVC on at any time. What if you want to change the message? You don't need to delete the old one first. You simply use the LVC add command again with your new message. The system is designed to automatically override the previous message with the new one you provide, making updates quick and seamless. And finally, if you decide you no longer need the leave message feature at all, you can completely remove the configuration by typing del LVC. This command wipes the slate clean, deleting your saved message and deactivating the system. This level of control ensures that you can adapt the bot's behavior to your evolving community management strategies. Now we move from greetings and farewells to one of the most critical aspects of group management, active moderation. Every thriving community needs rules, and a bot is the perfect, impartial enforcer of those rules. Our next feature, the lock command, is our primary tool for this enforcement. This module gives you the power to create a block list of specific words or phrases. Whenever a user who is not an admin sends a message containing one of these locked terms, the bot will instantly and automatically delete the message. This is your first line of defense against spam, profanity, scams, and any other type of content that violates your group's policies. Setting it up is incredibly straightforward. In your bot settings group, you simply type the command lock followed by the words you want to block, with each word separated by a comma. For example, I want to lock some common spam words, emojis, and some symbols often used in scams. I will type lock followed by all those words, emojis, and symbols. Once I send this message, the bot will confirm that these terms have been added to the block list. Any message from a non-admin containing these words will now be deleted the moment it's sent. As your block list grows, you'll need a way to manage it. The bot provides simple commands for this as well. To see all the words you've currently locked, you can use the command list lock. Note that this is a single word. When you send list lock in your command center, the bot will generate a neatly formatted list of all your locked terms. This list is more than just a simple display, it's an interactive management tool. Next to each locked word or phrase, the bot will assign a unique ID number. This ID is a shortcut that you can use to manage individual entries without having to retype the entire word. For instance, if I want to remove the $sign from my locked terms, I can check the list lock output, see that its ID is, for example, 1, and then use the unlock command. The unlock command is flexible, allowing you to remove a term either by its ID or by its exact phrase. To unlock by ID, I would simply type unlock 1. The bot would then confirm that the entry associated with ID 1 has been removed from the block list. Alternatively, I could achieve the same result by typing unlock $. This method is useful if you know the exact term you want to unlock without needing to look up its ID first. And for situations where you need a complete reset, there's a powerful command, unlock all. As one word, this command will instantly wipe your entire block list, allowing you to start fresh. The lock module also includes features for advanced administration. While automatically deleting unwanted messages is great, as an admin, you might want to be aware of who is attempting to break the rules. This is where the lock notify command comes in. By typing lock notify on, you can activate admin notifications. When this feature is enabled, every time the bot deletes a message for containing a locked word, it will silently send a notification to a designated log channel or directly to the admins, informing you which user sent the message, what the message contained, and in which group the violation occurred. This gives you a clear overview of moderation activity and helps you identify repeat offenders who may require a manual warning or removal from the group. You can, of course, turn this off at any time by typing lock notify off. But the true power of the lock system lies in its advanced pattern matching capabilities, which go far beyond blocking just exact words. You can achieve a much broader level of moderation by using special prefixes. The first of these is the wildcard, represented by an asterisk. The asterisk can stand in for any number or sequence of characters. This is incredibly useful for blocking variations of a word without having to list all of them. For example, let's say I want to block words that start with B and end with D. Instead of locking bad, bed, board, and blood individually, I can simply type lock B asterisk D. The bot will now delete any message containing any word that fits this pattern. This is an exponentially more efficient way to manage your block list. For even more complex and precise pattern matching, the bot supports regular expressions, or regex. Regex is a standard and incredibly powerful way to define search patterns. To use it, you prefix your command with regex. For example, if I wanted to lock any word that contains the sequence egg, I could type lock regex followed by colon then egg. This would not only lock the word egg but also other words such as eggplant, beggar, etc. because they all contain that sequence of letters. Regex can be used to lock things like unauthorized phone number formats, specific types of links, or complex spam phrases, giving you a level of moderation control that is virtually limitless. Building upon the lock feature, we have the warn lock command. This module serves a similar purpose but with a different outcome. Instead of just silently deleting a message, warn lock is designed to automatically issue a formal warning to the user who violates the rule. This is particularly useful for enforcing rules about content types, rather than just specific words. You can use warn lock to add words to an automatic warning block list, but its most powerful application is in blocking entire categories of media. To block a media type, you prefix it with an asterisk. For example, *img for images, *vid for videos, *pdf for PDF documents, *zip for compressed files, and *audio for audio files. Let's say I want one of my groups to be a text-only announcement channel. I need to prevent users from flooding it with images, videos, and other files. In my bot settings group, I would type the command warnlock followed by the media types I want to block. For instance, warnlock *img, *vid, *pdf, *zip, *audio. Once this is set, if a non-admin user tries to send an image, a video, or any of the other specified file types to that group, the bot will automatically delete the media and issue a warning to the user, often in a private message, informing them that the content type is not allowed in that group. This automates the enforcement of your group's content policies, ensuring the chat stays focused and clean without any manual intervention from you. Finally, we arrive at what is arguably the most powerful and versatile automation feature in our bot's entire arsenal: filters. This module allows you to create custom, automatic replies that the bot sends whenever a message contains a specific keyword or pattern. In essence, you are building a fully featured, interactive frequently asked questions and support system directly within your WhatsApp group. This is a game changer for reducing repetitive questions and providing instant information to your members 24/7. The bot supports two types of filters: group filters, managed with the command gfilter, and private message filters, managed with pfilter. The syntax and functionality are identical for both, you just change the first letter depending on where you want the filter to be active. For this tutorial, we'll focus on setting up group filters that will be active in both of my connected groups. The syntax for creating a filter is beautifully designed. The first line of your message must contain the gfilter command, followed by one or more trigger words, with each trigger separated by a comma. The lines that follow will contain the bot's response. A crucial rule here is that each new, separate response message must start with an exclamation mark. This allows you to have the bot send multiple message bubbles in response to a single trigger. Let's create a few practical examples to demonstrate the power of filters. The first one I'll create is a filter for those who want odds. In my bot settings group, I'll start the message. On the first line, I'll type filter followed by things related to odds such as tips, matches, games. These are my triggers. Now, any message containing any of these phrases will activate the filter. On the next line, I'll start my response with exclamation mark. And write my response. If I want responses to be many, just go to the next line and start with exclamation mark just as the first line and write the response. Write as many as you wish. When I send this message, the filter is set. Now, if a user in the Bookie Basher 1 types "any odds today," the bot will instantly reply with any of the responses you had set. I will go on and create more filters for the group. As I keep creating, that brings us to the end of this deep dive session on advanced bot configuration. We have equipped our bot with a sophisticated set of tools that will allow it to manage our communities with precision and intelligence. As you can see, the possibilities are vast. I strongly encourage you to experiment with these commands, tailor them to the unique needs of your groups, and explore the full potential of what you have built. In our next tutorial, we will venture into the final frontier of group security, exploring the most advanced protection modules this bot has to offer. We'll be setting up a powerful anti-link system, configuring anti-edit protections, and enabling the anti-delete feature to create a truly secure and transparent community. You won't want to miss it.